Is the check engine light on, your car stalling, and is there oil leaking? One possible cause is a PCV valve that isn't working properly. Recognize the signs of a malfunctioning positive crankcase ventilation valve, a crucial part of the emission system. Consider yourself fortunate if a malfunctioning PCV valve turns out to be the root of your vehicle's issues. This is among the least expensive parts to replace, and the majority of people can do it themselves. And before we jump to the symptoms of a bad PCV, please ensure you've subscribed to the channel. Rough idle and engine stalling. If the PCV valve remains open, excess air enters the combustion chambers, causing a lean condition with too much air and insufficient fuel. This can result in rough idling, noticeable vibrations, or irregular RPMs at stoplights, and in extreme cases, the engine may stall. As the engine warms up, the issue becomes more apparent, with unusual RPM fluctuations at idle, worsening over time if ignored. Oil leaks. A functioning PCV valve maintains ideal crankcase pressure inside your engine. If the valve fails and gets stuck in the closed position, pressure builds up, forcing oil past gaskets and seals. This can cause oil buildup around valve covers, the oil pan gasket, major seals, and may lead to oil spots under your vehicle. Oil may also enter the throttle body, intake manifold, or air filter housing. These leaks, if not addressed, can lead to low oil levels and potential engine damage. White or bluish exhaust smoke. Unusual exhaust smoke, especially during hard acceleration or cold starts after your car has been sitting overnight, is a common indicator of PCV valve problems. This smoke, which is usually white or bluish in color, is a sign that the combustion chambers are burning oil. Although it may be less severe, this smoke doesn't go away once the engine warms up, unlike condensation, which some people mistake for normal condensation on chilly mornings. Rough acceleration. A malfunctioning PCV valve can cause stumbling, hesitation, or uneven power delivery during acceleration by disturbing the air-fuel mixture. This issue is most noticeable when merging onto a highway or accelerating from a stop. Drivers describe it as the engine holding back or surging erratically, especially in warm weather, and it worsens as the PCV valve issue progresses. Increased oil consumption. A malfunctioning PCV valve can cause increased oil consumption between oil changes. Excessive vacuum in the crankcase can draw oil into the intake system or combustion chambers, leading to oil loss without visible leaks. You'll likely need to add more oil between scheduled changes. This increased consumption can be costly and may cause carbon buildup on engine parts. If you observe this symptom, it becomes especially crucial to check your oil level regularly. Poor fuel economy. If your PCV valve stays closed, your combustion cylinders get a rich mixture of fuel and air, leading to more fuel usage and higher gas costs. This can cause you to fail emissions tests and harm your fuel economy. The rich condition, despite efforts by your engine computer to correct it, results in higher fuel consumption and frequent visits to the gas station. It can also damage your catalytic converter and clog spark plugs. Engine sludge. Sludge forms when exhaust gases mix with engine oil in areas where the PCV valve fails, creating a thick, dark residue. This residue coats engine parts and can obstruct oil passages. Sludge is first observed during oil changes, where the oil appears thick and tar-like. A common sign is a ticking or tapping sound from the engine, especially the valve train area, due to inadequate lubrication. Whistling or hissing noises. Distinctive sounds can be clues when diagnosing issues. A failing PCV valve may cause a whistling, hissing, or fluttering sound in the engine bay, most noticeable with the hood open and changing in pitch or intensity when revving the engine. These sounds result from a malfunctioning spring or plunger mechanism in the valve, allowing improper airflow. While engine noises can have various causes, a whistling sound often indicates PCV valve problems when accompanied by other symptoms. Check engine light. The engine control unit uses various sensors, including oxygen sensors, to assess engine performance. A malfunctioning PCV valve disrupts the air-fuel ratio by allowing too much fuel or air into the combustion chambers, triggering the check engine light. Scanning the car may reveal PCV-related codes like P052E or P053A, or more commonly, lean condition codes P0171 or P0174. Always look for trouble codes to diagnose the problem accurately. Replacement cost. The good news is that one of the less expensive auto repairs is replacing the PCV valve. This is what you should budget for. Total price range, $65 to $185, which includes labor and parts. The price range for a basic aftermarket PCV valve is $15 to $35. $25 to $75 is the OEM PCV valve range. More costly valves might be needed for certain performance or luxury cars. Cost of labor, $50 to $150. Although some shops have a minimum labor charge of 1 hour, labor time usually ranges from 15 to 45 minutes. Hope the information is helpful and you will press the like button and subscribe to the channel.